Today, I'll demonstrate how Microsoft IQ can help move a manufacturing organization from isolated mission signals to a coordinated maintenance station. Imagine a production line where a CNC machine is still running, but its temperature and vibration have moved beyond safe limits, let's say. The operational data is in the data state, the machine maintenance history is in the work order systems, and the technician's recommendation is sitting in Microsoft 365. The architecture brings together three complementary intelligence layers: Fabric IQ for operational intelligence, Foundry IQ for agent orchestration and reasoning, and Work IQ for workplace context from M365. So we are asking agent to come back with the predicted failure type, probability, risk level, and expected downtime and any production impact that this may cause. And I'm also asking agent to treat this as a prediction, not an occurred failure in the past. So we get back the response for the mission 104, the failure prediction entity. It provides this following predicted failure type. It's going to be a bearing degradation with 97% probability, and the risk level is quite critical. And we expect the downtime to be 6 hours, and the production impact is going to be around 84K INR. Here, the Fabric data agent has been connected to the maintenance operations agent as a tool, as you can see here. So Fabric IQ continues to provide the governed operational intelligence. The data is not copied into Foundry. And we can see the observed facts, predicted risk, recommended maintenance priority, it is immediate. And the recommended actions, we need to inspect the spindle and bearings as soon as possible. Ensure replacement bearing and lubricant remain available for intervention. So the bottom line is quite clear here. For validation, I uploaded the CNC 104 maintenance assessment document to OneDrive. That you can see here that we prepared along with the technician recommendation that a control shutdown at the next safe maintenance window to inspect the spindle bearing lubrication path and alignment is required. And you can see the response includes the correct document, as you can see here, the control shutdown recommendation and M365 source citation as well. So this confirms permission aware workplace retrieval rather than an answer generated from Fabric operational data. So the resulting answer clearly separates three things: operational facts from Fabric IQ, workplace context from Work IQ, and recommended next actions generated by the Foundry agent.